Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to preview in full screen. First, open the composition and drag the work area to the exact range you want to check. This limits RAM preview. Once done, set resolution to full or half depending on playback needs so you balance quality and speed. Make sure motion blur and effects you don't need are disabled to reduce render time, and confirm audio tracks are solid or off so you hear only what matters during the preview. Now you'll trigger full screen playback. Hit numpad 0 to start a RAM preview from the beginning of your work area. This caches frames for smoother playback. Once cached, press the grave/backtick key or choose View then Preview then Full Screen to expand the composition panel to full screen so you see every pixel. If playback stutters, pause, open Preferences Memory and Performance, and allocate more RAM to After Effects before previewing again to let it cache more frames successfully. Finish by evaluating your composition in full screen and identify any issues. Press Escape or the grave/backtick key to exit full screen when done. Make sure the composition resolution and the view percentage match what you expect so color and scale are accurate. If playback misses frames or stalls, clear the disk cache and try a lower resolution or temporarily disable heavy effects. This reduces processing load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.